There are several key factors that are helping push oil prices down. You've got OPEC Plus and its allies boosting production after years of making cuts. In the meantime, Trump is pushing for a possible peace deal between Russia and Ukraine. Now, as a result of this or any other thing, the energy ETF XLE on track for its fourth negative day in a row. That may not sound like much, but that is actually the longest losing streak in 3 months. Let's talk about that, oil, stocks, and maybe even Venezuela. And bring in Dan Pickering. He is founder and CIO of Pickering Energy Partners. Dan, everybody's negative. They talk about inventories, floating storage, billions of barrels. OPEC may disagree, but you can't disagree with the price. And it feels like oil may be ready to have a four handle soon. What do you think?
Yeah, Brian, good to be on the show with you. Unfortunately, under these circumstances, oil could have a four handle. Why? Because we've got too much of it. We're in an oversupplied market. The question on inventories are rising and rising dramatically. The question is, who's going to blink first in terms of turning off supply? Will it be U.S. shale? Will it be OPEC? Will it be some geopolitical event? But the bottom line is we have not yet found the price that will discourage supply. So price probably keeps going lower. Low 50s feels like it's in the card. High 40s maybe. You really think so? What's it mean for the stocks? Yeah, Kelly, stocks have held in okay this year. If you look, the various subsectors anywhere from down a little bit to up 3 or 4%, which feels like we may give up some more between here and $50. So the names have been okay, not great, underperformed the market. If oil keeps going lower, my guess is that energy stocks keep going lower, probably setting up a buy opportunity, but feels heavy in the near term. You know, a lot of people have said once it's 3% of the market, can't really get much worse. But what do you think in this case? And it's ironic because at the same time, you have Ford abandoning its EV plans and acknowledging it needs some kind of hybrid offering in that market. So it seems like the lower that price goes or stays, the less incentive there is to buy something like a Tesla, whose stock is basically back at an all-time high, by the way. Yeah, I mean, we don't have a demand problem for oil right now. Demand looks pretty good. The issue is, as Brian mentioned as we came in, OPEC Plus adding supply, U.S. production's at record levels. We've got a supply problem. So my expectation is cheap gasoline will continue to drive good demand. The question is just how do we get rid of these excess barrels? And I think, unfortunately, it's going to take price. And if it takes price, that's probably not great for the stocks.